I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your account balance on Upwork is straightforward once you know where to look. Follow these steps to easily find your balance. Step 1. Log into your Upwork account. Go to the Upwork website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. This is your main hub for all account activities. Step 3. Locate the financial information. On your dashboard, look for the Reports section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access your financial details. Step 4. Check your account balance. Within the Reports section, you will see your current account balance displayed prominently. This will show your total earnings and available funds. Step 5. Review transaction history. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Upwork.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you don't see your balance immediately, check if you have any pending payments or recent withdrawals that might affect the total. Happy freelancing!